In the farm, let's sing along. Animals here love their happy song. The cow in the farm says moo, moo, moo. The sheep in the farm says ba, ba, ba. The duck in the farm says quack, quack, quack. The goat in the farm says meow, meow, meow.
The horse in the farm says neigh, neigh, neigh. The pig in the farm says oink, oink, oink. The dog in the farm says woof, woof, woof.
The cat in the farm says meow, meow, meow. The turkey in the farm says gobble, gobble, gobble. The penguin in the farm says honk, honk, honk. The rabbit in the farm says purr, purr, purr. The fly in the farm says buzz, buzz, buzz. The frog in the farm says ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. The quail in the farm says chirp, chirp, chirp. The crow in the farm says caw, caw, caw. The owl in the farm says hoot, hoot, hoot. The giraffe in the farm says munch, munch, munch. The donkey in the farm says hee haw, hee haw. The goose in the farm says honk, honk, honk. The chick in the farm says cheep, cheep, cheep. The mouse in the farm says squeak, squeak, squeak. The snake in the farm says hiss, hiss, hiss. The ostrich in the farm says boom, boom, boom. The parrot in the farm says squawk, squawk, squawk. The lamb in the farm says ba, ba, ba. The bull in the farm says snort, snort, snort. The panda in the farm says munch, munch, munch. The bear in the farm says growl, growl, growl. Sing along with the animals on the farm. Every sound is a melody.